Good evening. Today I'd like to show you this really cool mop, and as you can see the picture here, I'm actually going to build it. It takes me less than a minute. But as you see, it's got a really big, broad base. Very simple to install. Actually, this goes upwards. Very easy. Everything kind of pops in, and this is very simple to take out. It's a pull-out with a kind of like a water reserve, so that way it's not going to leak out unless you're actually using it. Line up these special marks with the clicks, and then they fit right in, so there's really no other way that it will fit. That one first. This actually has like a locking mechanism with that hole. Push down the button and it locks into place and kind of holds over itself. Do that again. The top piece, push it in, locks into place. This one's doing really good. And then this piece actually just sits right on the side. Boom. It's got silicone brushes or the actual scraper so you can scrape it. And very simple, very easy to maneuver. And then when you want any water, you simply push this trigger right here. So, very simple stuff. Undo it, put it in. You not only need a lot to show you, but like I said, it's not gonna fall out unless you pull that trigger. Put it in. And it's just like an aerosol can, very easy. Boom, boom. And it even comes with its own little hook. That way you can attach it to any door that you need to. So, very, very convenient. Definitely check this one out. I think it's a great addition to any kitchen.